Let's go, girls.
All right, Glam fam, we are just gonna do a quick 5-minute eyeshadow look. I have been loving this look. I kind of changed it around going from taupe to warm brown. So I'm showing you guys the warm brown because next week will be more the taupe shades. So we're gonna start off with my Armani number 21 warm brown. You guys know the drill. Number 57 brush from Sephora. If you're new here, I start off every eyeshadow look with this. It's quick, it's easy, and it makes my eyeshadow last all day. And it's just so simple. That 57 brush, I can get that done in seconds. I'm taking another Sephora brush that's not available and I'm just kind of blending that out. And then I take Griselle from Surratt and I am just gonna go over what I just did with the Armani and just kind of setting that down. You don't have to because Armani is a cream to powder, but I just like to do this. And that's a Wayne Goss brush that's not available anymore. Any fluffy brush works. Then I'm taking my Surratt Perfectionist palette in shade 2, and I'm just taking that lightest shade. And I did use this as the base originally, and now I'm just kind of going where the lid space area is. Just creating a nice tacky base for some of the shimmers I'm gonna use. Now I'm taking the Christian Louboutin Duo, and I'm using that light metallic shade. It is so pretty, and this lasts all day. It's just absolutely stunning. I love this eyeshadow duo from Christian Louboutin. Can we talk about that packaging? I'm just taking my rougher number 21 brush and I'm just going over that, what I just did. And again, using that lightest, it's the only shimmer shade in the palette, or in the duo, I should say. This is more of a warm look. Again, next week will be more of a taupe look. But I kind of switch back and forth with the look I'm gonna do next week and this look, and they both are so super fast and easy. Now I'm just taking my rougher number 14 brush and I'm using the darker shade in the Louboutin palette. Going in with my MAC Cosmetics, and this is my Natural Wilderness. It's more of a satin matte. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love this shade. I use it for every single look. Even my cool tone looks, I mix this color in. I don't know why, but it does magical things. And I'm just using a Hakuhodo J173, I wanna say. I'll put the number right there. Rougher number 13 brush, I'm just going into that chocolate brown in the new Tarte Gemstone palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. I will be utilizing the whole palette next Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just taking that on the outer V area just to add some dimension there. And then I went in with my Volume 3 Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. And if you're new here, I always use this. It's a diffusing powder and it just diffuses out any look I do, whether it's cool tone or warm tone. Sigma E40 Max, you guys know the drill. Nothing on this brush, I'm just cleaning it all up. Now I'm going into the chantecaille, and this is the Giraffe. It is a beautiful, you can tell from my face, beautiful chocolate, metallic. Oh, I'm obsessed with these luminescent eyeshadows, and I'll use Elephant next week. So beautiful. Rougher number 15 went back into the Gemstone palette, that lightest transition shade, and I'm just blending out the edges. I forgot to film the lower lash line, but it was super easy. I just went in with my Makeup Forever, and this is Dimensional Dark Brown. This is on a different day, but the same look I do all the time. And I just kind of did the lower lash line, very simple. I go all the way into the inner corner. You can stop wherever you want. Then I just took my Refer number 23 brush and I just went into that dark brown. I went into the taupe and the chocolate brown and I mixed those two together, and I just went on the lower lash line just to kind of smoke out that eyeliner. It sets down really well. You don't have to do this, but I just do it for reassurance. And then I went back into the Chantecaille Giraffe palette with the same rougher number 3 brush, and I just went into that center portion, just kind of giving like a little bit of a halo on the lower lash line. I have been loving this, and it makes your eyes look a little bit bigger. And that is how the final look turned out. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. Love you guys. Bye.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like